विद्याभेदोऽथ विद्यैक्यम् यादुशस्तकहोलयोः समानस्य द्विराम्नानाद् विद्याभेदः प्रतीयते सर्वान्तरत्वमुभयोः अस्ति विद्यैकता ततः शङ्का विशेषनुत्यैः पाठस्तत्त्वमसीतिवत्
पुरुषस्तकहोलयोः and ब्राह्मणयोः पुरुषस्तकहोलयोः ब्राह्मणयोः to be added विद्याभेदः अथ विद्यैकं स्यात् समानस्य as it is द्विः आम्नानात् विद्याभेदः प्रतीयते समानस्य द्विः आम्नानात् विद्याभेदः प्रतीयते उभयोः सर्वान्तरत्वम् अस्ति उभयोः सर्वान्तरत्वम् अस्ति ततः विद्यैकता अस्ति ततः विद्यैकता अस्ति तत्त्वमसि इति वत् शंका विशेष नृत्यै द्विः पाठः between these two brahmanas, that Ushasta Brahmana and Kavala Brahmana, the doubt is Vidya Bhedaha. There are two different types of Vidya told there, Atha, with Athava or Vidyaikam. One and the same Vidya is told in both the Brahmanas, Vidyaikam. Purapaksha says, Samanasya Dvi Amnana. One and the same thing, because what is that? Yat Sakshat Aparokshat Brahma Ya Atma Sarvantaraha. Actually there is slight difference there. Yat Sakshat Aparokshat Eva is in the Kahola Brahmana additional, that will be pointed out as well. But generally one and the same. So Aparokshat Brahma Yaha Atma Sarvantaraha Iti Dvi Amnana. Same thing is told twice. Amnanat means Shruti Kathana. Shrutehe Kathana. Because Shruti says that is the same statement Shruti repeats. Therefore, Vidya Bhedaha Pratiyeta. What should be that? It should be different Vidya. Why? Otherwise Shruti will not repeat. So because it's different, it is repeated and repeated. For which answer is given, Ubhayoho Sarvantaratvam Asti. Whether that Brahma or Atma referred in both is Sarvantaraha, innermost. How many can be innermost? Ushastas one innermost and Kaholas other in there. Tug of war will be thereafter. Then what you have to do? One you have to take primarily as innermost, other you have to take as secondarily innermost, which is not there. And Atma, how many I are there? Usually many I told me in the way. So there is drama. As cheat, you are cheating many things in a different way, posing in a different roles. And as if I am not that person. That is Marathi drama. So that way, you may play many roles. That is there as well. So, but I is one and the same. That will say सर्वान्तरत्वम् उभयोः अस्ति ततः विद्यैकता अस्ति. Atma Brahma told in both places is one and the same. And why twice it is said? Why are you bothered twice? You are 9 times told that. One and the same Tattvamasi is told 9 times. Why are you harping on twice only? So that I say, repetition is for this purpose. Tattvamasi iti vat. Like the repetition of Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Iti vat is Shanka Vishesha Dutte. Shanka Vishesha Nutya. Nutya means to dispel. Shanka Vishesha means specific doubt. To dispel specific doubt. So dispel the specific doubt. So there is Dihi Patha. Dihi Patha means twice it is told. So don't bother about repetition. Repetitions are there. Antara Bhutagramavat Svatmanaha Antara add there Amanana. Continue. Bhutagramavat Svatmanaha Antara add Amanana. Amanana means Kathana. So Bhutagramavat. About Atma, where in Yat Sakshat Aparokshat Brahma, we are going to come to the Shruti statements. So, and Yahas Atma Sarvantara. In both the Brahmanas, Prajna, the Chaitanya Swarupa Atma, is described as innermost of everyone. This can be taken in having 2 meanings. In our body, how many bhutas are there? Amavasya Bhuta, Paurnima Bhuta, Ashtami Bhuta, 5 elements are there. Body is made up of the 5 elements. Grossest is what? Prithvi. Interior is Ash. Interior is Agni. Still interior is Vayu. Still interior is Akash. Is it not? Now, even Vayu also is Antara only. Even Tejas also is Antara. But there is a varying succession of Antaratva. Is it not? So now we can say Akasha is the Sarvantara, others are relatively Antara. So that means if there were 2, there should be relative Sarvantara, which is not the case. Therefore it cannot be. Or Bhutagramavat, it is like the Shvetashakara statement. Sarva Bhuteshu Bhuraha Sarvavyapi Sarva Bhutantaratma. Antaratma Sarva Bhuteshu Bhura. Here Bhuta is not Panchamahabhuta, living being. The one who is abiding in all the living beings, one who is Antaratma of all the beings. How many? One and the same. So that way, like that, Sarvantara word gives the clue that it is one and the same Atma. 2 different things cannot be there. Continue. Anyatha Vedanupapattihi iti chet Upadeshantaravat Upadeshantaravat. So now says Anyatha, your Pura Paksha will come. I told you repeatedly you are doing this. You are sidetracking whatever I told you, and you are telling your own things. Have I not already told you? If you don't accept two vidyas, repetition is redundant, and you just keep mum over that, and you tell your own things. How is it possible? I already told you. See, if you don't accept two vidyas, repetition, because both are one and of same, repetition is redundant. This what this is to be answered. So that is that. Pura Paksha may say, look, I have already told you. What is that? Vedanupati. Here Vedasya, be very careful about this word Veda. Vedasya means, Amnana Vedasya means, Abhyasasya. Repetition. Not some distinction. Vedasya means what? Amnana Vedasya. Different statement. So means, Abhyasasya. Abhyasasya. Says, Anupati, if you don't accept the Vidya Veda, then what will happen? Repetition will be wrong. Anupati means not possibility, means it will be wrong. Why? Says, because there is no purpose. What is the usefulness by repeating? At least you are told, see, Ushasta asked the question and Yajnavalkya didn't reply, he was dozing. Kohala, hey, what are you doing? You have already driven away the cow and now you are not answering. Now you are not answering. Come on. There is nothing like that, no prayojan at all. So there is no purpose served by repetition. So there is a Anupati. Iti chet, if you argue, which you already done, na, not so. Why? Upadeshantaravat. Upadeshantara Tattvamasi Mahavakya, 9 times repetition. Upadeshantara is Tattvamasi. See, Tattvamasi, one and the same, to dispel different doubts, it was true. So here also, from two different standpoints, we will see that afterward. So one and the same is unfolded. Another thing question has asked me, questioner also has got something in the mind. Yajnavalkya being doing, he answers the questions.